Hi, Shubarna here. I just wanted to know, you just mentioned that, you're playing a high school. How was the transformation? Sorry? Oh,
I think, sorry, I don't know who asked it, whoever there. I think family is the most important thing for anyone, and your family are the people who are there for you at all times. They're the people who, I think, instill the values that you have in you, and especially as I think, as Ranbir said, the years go on, you realize the importance of your family and how special they are. और since ये फिल्म 3 साल से बन रहे हैं, मैंने दादा को पूछा,
बात बोलना बार-बार जरूरी है, चौथी बार बोल रहा है, मैं सुन रहा भी।
मैंने दादा को पूछा और रणबीर को भी मैंने पूछा, प्लीज मेरा नाम भी डाल दीजिए वो प्रोड्यूसर का क्रेडिट्स में जो आते हैं ना. So until now I've not got a answer, but
I'll think about it.
कटरीना, हाय. कटरीना, कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस एक बार फिर से रणबीर कपूर के साथ में शूट करने का? How was experience with? कैसा रहा?
सब लोग एक साथ.
कटरीना, यहाँ कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस एक बार फिर से रणबीर कपूर के साथ में शूट करने का, जग्गा जासूस?
साहिब फिर से पूछिए.
ये हमेशा मुझसे कहती थी कि मैंने तुझे 2 सुपरहिट दिए हैं, अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी और राजनीति. बोलते रहती थी, मतलब while we were working the film only, तो आज कुछ भी है मेरी वजह से, because I was in अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी, I was in राजनीति, फिल्म की ओपनिंग मेरे वजह से हुई. So I felt कि जब मैं पहली बार प्रोड्यूसर बनूं, I would like to kind of be grateful and pay back all that Katrina has done for me, and I promised her कि मैं तेरे लिए भी एक सुपरहिट बनाऊंगा. So this film, me and Dada have made only for you, and let me tell you कि she is amazing in this film. She's unbelievable what she's done, and we're really proud that this is going to be Katrina Kaif's best performance.
रणवीर, मेरा सवाल, रणवीर एंड कटरीना, आपके राइट में, आपके राइट.
No, I think that's something which is just incidental. Like I can't say it again, so because Dada said I said it 4 times. But there was a certain film which was in the making for a long time, that one, and yeah. So sometimes delays happen. It's not a planned thing. But in this case, I really do think that, as Dada said, this was the only process to make this film. And although we don't know what will happen, at the box office, one thing that I'm sure of is when people see the film, they will unanimously agree that they will understand why this was the process it had to be and why it took so long.
रणवीर एंड कटरीना, आपके राइट में. मेरा नाम अनुप्रिया है, मैं दैनिक जागरण डिजिटल से हूँ. मेरा सवाल है कि आप दोनों ने बचपन में कभी किसी की जासूसी किया या रियल लाइफ में आप में जासूसी वाले कोई क्वालिटी हैं?
हाँ है. Actually, what happened is because the film was being made in parts, कभी-कभी I would come to know that नहीं, दादा shooting in Film City. So किसके साथ? रणबीर के साथ. मैं नहीं हूँ. मतलब दादा, so I would call Dada, what are you shooting? Or I'd ask one of the 80s, Dada, what are you shooting? So there was, for me, a lot of jasusi happening on this film, because I think both of us wanted to be so much in the film, in every frame, because he was making it so well. So that was my jasusi on this film.
And Ranbir is the biggest jasus of the industry. कहाँ क्या हो रहा है सब पता है.
Okay, so this is a little offbeat. Very recently, a lot of actresses on social media are being body shamed, either for their complexion or for the dresses that they wear, be it Priyanka Chopra, Deepika Padukone, and more recently, Fatima Sana Sheikh has been, receiving a lot of flack for, wearing a swimsuit during the month of Ramzan. How do you, as an actress, handle, online trolls, and do you think this is very unfair for an actress?
Honestly, I think my take on social media is you should take the positivity, accept people's opinions, and just avoid the criticism or avoid the negativity. That's honestly the simplest way that I go about it, and I think that's just what you need to do. You're on it, I think, for the interaction with the people who are your well-wishers, who are your supporters. Sometimes you get good feedback, good information, and that's what I think you need to pay attention to. You don't need to pay attention to any of the negativity or the criticisms.